Today is day 9 and I'm excited. I only have 30 hours or so until I have my first meal. And I've been looking on YouTube for recipes, for ideas for what I want to eat. And right now I have broccoli soup or salmon salad. I'm still thinking. So last night before I went to sleep, I had small hunger pains, but I did my night regimen. And when I woke up this morning, I didn't feel anything. I did my morning regimen. I went to school and taught 3 classes, and I had more energy than my students. These past 3 days, I've been focusing on my strengths, my weaknesses, and my opportunities. Today, I wanted to focus on my threats. And right now, I can only think of 3. The first and obvious one is if China and America have some kind of relations issue and I'm forced to go back home. I hope that doesn't happen because both countries are stronger together, but this is not a political conversation. My second one is if my management decides to change my situation, or if management changes and they decide to do the same. The third one is me. I believe I am one of my biggest threats. Sometimes I get into something and I get bored with it too easily and I move on to the next thing. And I think that what I'm trying to do now, I need to focus and stay the course with what I'm trying to do. So if I overcome the obstacle of myself, I'll be fine. Tomorrow is day 10, my last day, and I'll be making a video then. This was a short one. I'll see you tomorrow.